Students, welcome to Google Class. Hope you all are safe and well at home. Yesterday a video had been shared with you that was about how to read a poem. Today I will tell you the summary of this poem and you have to listen me carefully. Open your book at page 80 and let's get started. Everyone Sang is an interesting poem which has been composed by an English poet and soldier Siegfried Sassoon to express joy after the World War is over. This poem refers to the end of First World War in November 1918. The poet tells that the end of war has already spread everywhere in the country. The poet celebrates this moment of happiness by the core of the heart. In the first stanza, the poet compares his joy with the joy of those birds who have been suddenly set free from the cages. According to the poet, the war is just like a prison. When the war ends, it gives freedom and delight to every heart of the soldiers. The war comes to an end, everyone feels free like a bird, freed from its cage. So, everyone is celebrating the end of the First World War. Even every soldier is happy. Everyone is singing and dancing. At last, the poet expresses his joy by telling that this kind of joy will never be felt again. Freedom, victory, and joy must be celebrated by all of us. Students, you can notice in this picture how much happy these soldiers are. Students, I have told you the story of this poem and you have to learn and write these word meanings into your notebook. Thank you.